Hear me, old Father, Odin of the ravens. I break the chains of fear. Storm Father, Thor of thunder, let your hammer roar in my blood. The wolf wakes in my bones, the bear rises in my chest. Iron cannot tame me, fire cannot break me. I am the howl in the storm, the red tide of battle, the shield breaker, the oath keeper. Axes swing in the wind, shields shatter like ice, and the earth drinks deep of the courage of men. No fear.